Working professionals are required to make and deliver presentations at their workplace not only for their internal but also for their external customers. Similarly, solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, businessmen are also required to make and deliver presentations not only about their business but also about the products and the services that they provide or deliver. Therefore, there are certain important tips that must be kept in mind while making and delivering presentations to create an impact. However, we tend to forget these important tips. Hi, I'm Naresh Shivani, a career growth specialist, a creativity coach, a laughter yoga trainer, and I'm here to share these 6 important tips to help you to make and deliver a great presentation and create an impact. Number 1, know your presentation very well. You should practice and rehearse your presentation so many number of times that you know your presentation in and out. You remember your slides word by word and in that sequence, so that at any point in time, in case there is an emergency of a failure of electricity, you are able to continue with your presentation and make an impact even then. Therefore, ensure that you own your presentation and go deep and be involved in your presentation. Number 2, it's all about the audience and not about you. When you are making a presentation, you have the audience in mind, and when you deliver the presentation, you're delivering to the audience. Therefore, the audience really wants to know what is it for them. They want to know what you can deliver to them so that they can learn and thereafter go and implement. Therefore, your presentation should be audience-centric. Number 3, manage your time very well. You should rehearse keeping in mind the time of your presentation. Follow the rule of 8:30. That is, for a 30-minute presentation, have not more than 8 slides so that you can do justice to the presentation, finish well within time, and also give time to the audience for asking questions and answering them. Number 4, engage with your audience. Many a times you should try and reach before your presentation starts so that you not only get accustomed to the environment of your room but also get interactions with your audience, and by this the audience will be more and more comfortable. Therefore, they will feel more comfortable not only listening to your presentation but also they will feel comfortable interacting with you, asking questions, and thereby making your presentation more lively and energized. Number 5, make sure that you are passionate about your presentation. By this, does not only mean the energy that you have while delivering your presentation, but it also means how deep you are involved in your presentation, how much do you own your presentation so that you make an impact on the audience. And last but not the least, provide call to action to the audience. By this, provide at the end of the presentation some learning, some takeaway that the audience can go back and implement while they are making the presentation and also delivering, so that they are also able to impact their audiences. I hope these tips would be really helpful to you when you make your presentation and deliver the next time. I have also in the comment section provided a link of a resource guide which will help you to make your presentations more impactful, more helpful for you. And therefore, please visit and click that link and take the maximum benefit of the content of the resource guide. This is Naresh Shivani signing off for now, and meet you in the next video.